the extreme protection of graphene, now in 2 easy-to-use solutions from Rain-X. Introducing Rain-X Pro Graphene Exterior Detailer and Spray Wax, specially formulated with proprietary Graphene Shield Technology and safe for all exterior surfaces, wet or dry. Rain-X Pro Graphene Exterior Detailer delivers a gentle clean with durable protection. It removes light contaminants and dirt while enhancing water beading to truly extend your vehicle cleaning interval. Spray and wipe to maintain that gloss, slickness, and protection in between washes with this go-to detailer. Rain-X Pro Graphene Spray Wax is the final touch that delivers extreme durability, water repellency, and shine. It's an easy-to-apply, streak-free formula that also extends the protection of existing waxes, sealants, and coatings, helping you stay a step ahead of Mother Nature by keeping water spots, environmental elements, and chemical contaminants at bay. Thanks to the strength of graphene, new Rain-X Pro Graphene solutions repel dirt, dust, and debris, providing a durable and brilliant finish for your vehicle. Rain-X. Outsmart the elements.